Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and I have the next Christmas swag kit for you guys, and it is one of my favorite looks that we do, and that's the preppy plaid chinoiserie Christmas look. It's a very classic Christmas look with lots of beautiful bright reds and greens, and then of course we throw in shades of blue, blueberries, chinoiserie ornaments, plaid ornaments. It's kind of like a Ralph Lauren really fun preppy tree. We've done it for 3 years now. It's by far the most popular, and last year a lot of you wanted to buy the accessories for it online, and I want to let you know that this year we are going to have those available for you, including the gorgeous ribbon that's on that tree, and that'll be coming up soon, so stay tuned. Ornaments, stems, all the pretty stuff is going to be available. And to kick off, I'm going to do a swag kit that's going to look great in that area. If you think you might be buying that Christmas tree look, this is going to be perfect to twist onto a lantern or a wreath that you already have, maybe even lay on your mantle. So today I chose this eucalyptus pine stem. It's got a little cedar in it too, but I like it because the combination just is really pretty greenery as well as a pop of that red. And then I chose the cluster blueberry, two-tone blueberry. So this guy is actually already available as a set of 3 up on the website, and it's in the floral supply tab. It's bright, it's bold. We sell it all year long because it's so beautiful. I'm literally gonna lay it right on top of the other stem and then fluff the two together. So I pull this right set of blueberries down a little bit and the greenery down as well. And then the top one, I just bring the red berries back forward so they don't get too hidden back there, because that blue is bold and it can kind of take over. So you definitely want to make sure that you fluff those two together. I'm chopping the stems off a little bit. They're not too long though, but we're going to design it so that it can be twisted onto a wreath like this, or that you can put it on a lantern. I have 2 styles there too. So I'm going to set it aside and tie my bow, and then I'll show you how we'll put it on both. So first up, I have this gorgeous plaid. Look how pretty that is. Nice, beautiful, beautiful plaid. It has the blue in it, the green, all kinds of stuff. It even has a little bit of black. So if you have black in your home, but you want to add some blue, this is a perfect way to do it. And then I chose just a really nice blue silk that's going right on top. And we're going to make ourselves a couple loops of that. All right. Now we're ready to tie it off and twist it on. So the tails coming down would be great going down a lantern. I'm going to show it to you twisted onto a lantern first. So this is a medium size. This may not exactly match this aqua lantern, but it will show up well. So normally you're going to put your stems this way on a wreath or something. On a lantern, you're simply just going to do the opposite. So you would twist your ribbon on and then twist it onto the lantern with the stems coming down and the long tails coming down. So it's really pretty. It's definitely a bigger piece for a lantern, this swag kit. So if you like a little bit showier, this is perfect. Look how pretty it looks on that lantern. You could even do a slightly shorter one too. Now, if you're gonna put these on wreaths, though, you know we just do the exact opposite. So you're just gonna turn those stems back upside down, tie your bow on the opposite way, and twist it right onto your wreath. So maybe you have wreaths that just need a little refreshing, or maybe you hang one like above your mantle or on your back door, and you just want to have a pop of color that you can then take off. This is a great way to do that. So let me twist that on. I always like to bring like the pine cones back forward, bring the berries back, cut those tails. I leave that plaid really long because we only did a little strip of it. We didn't do loops, so it just shows up really nicely. You don't need a lot though. And that one's already cut. So then just take another second, fluff it all. How pretty is that? I love the pop of blue. I hope you guys are excited to see all the fun Christmas stuff we have, including stuff with blue coming out. And this is just a really simple way. This swag kit is available for you guys up on shopdeeslouisville.com. Go check it out.